Hi students, today we are starting our next topic, that is light reaction. Light reaction is the process of photosynthesis that converts energy from the sun into chemical energy in the form of NADPH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate hydrogen, and ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Now we will see, as we know, this is chloroplast, thylakoid membrane, here light reaction, here light independent reactions, here stroma. This is NADPH, ATP, and then ATP comes from ADP and NADPH comes from NADP. As you can see, this is the light reaction which is taking place in the stroma of the chloroplast. Here intake of water, intake of oxygen. The light reaction is also known as photolysis reaction and takes place in the presence of light. It usually takes place in grena of the chloroplast. The photosystems have pigment molecule. In the plants, chlorophyll is one of the primary pigment which actively takes part in the process of light reaction like photosynthesis. The accessory pigment include carotenoids. The energy from the sun is absorbed by the chlorophyll in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. The energy is then transferred to ATP and NADPH, that is generated by two electron transport chain. Water is used and oxygen is released during this process. Let us have an overview of light reaction and the mechanism involved in light reaction. Now, as we can see, this is the photosystem 1, this is photosystem 2, this is electron transport system, this is also electron transport system. Now let us see, this is photosystem 2, photon, this reaction center, reaction is starting, electron excited, as you can see, excited reaction center, and here electron is released. Now here this released electrons goes to photosystem 1. Photosystem 1, why it is known as? Because it is the reaction taken place by the light release of electron. First it was discovered, so it is known as photosystem 1. Here again reaction system. Photon, this is photon, here also photon means electron of light. Now from here again reaction center, it goes to electron transport system, and here formation of NADPH. Here we can see two water molecule and it is broken in the form of hydrogen atom plus oxygen. One more time we will study. This is the photosystem 1, this is photosystem 2, photon, reaction system, photon and reaction system. Now this is water splitting enzyme which is needed to break the water into hydrogen and oxygen molecule. Electron is released, accepted by ETS, electron transport system. Now here, as you can see, it comes here and same time release of hydrogen atom is there. And now here you can see it is photosystem 1. Here also reaction center, photon, release of electron, it goes to ETS and NADPH. So wisely we can see this is the photosystem 1, photosystem 2. It is utilized in ETS. Actually photosystem 1 also utilized in ETS, but here formation of NADPH and here splitting of water molecule, that is H plus O2, and this energy of electron. Light reaction is first stage of photosynthesis process in which solar energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADPH. The protein complexes and the pigment molecule help in the production of NADPH and ATP. The process of light reaction is given already. In the light reaction, energy from the sunlight is absorbed by the pigment chlorophyll and converted into chemical energy in the form of electron charge carrier molecule, that is NADPH and ATP. Light energy is utilized in both the photosystem, that is 1 and 2, present inside thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. The carbohydrate molecules are obtained from carbon dioxide from the use of chemical energy gathered during reaction. The light energy tend to split into water and later extract the electron from the photosystem 2. Then the electron move to the PS2 to B6F, that is cytochrome F, to the photosystem 1 and reduce in the form of energy. The electrons are re-energized in the photosystem 1 and electrons of high energy reduce NADP into NADPH. In the process of non-cyclic photophosphorylation, the cytochrome uses the electron energy from the photosystem to pump the ions of hydrogen from the lumen of stroma. In the process of cyclic photophosphorylation, the cytochrome B6F uses electron energy from both the photosystem 1 and 2 to create a number of ATP and stops the production of NADPH. Thus, the light reaction harness the light energy to drive the transport of electron and pumping of proton to convert the energy from light into biologically useful from ATP and produces a usable source of reducing the water and NADPH. So in this part we have studied today about light reaction. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.